Welcome to Zim Witness TV, your #1 channel for deep dives into Zimbabwean politics, history, and current affairs. If you love insightful stories that keep you informed, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and don't forget to like and share this video. Today, we bring you the dramatic rise and fall of blessed bombshell Geza, a war hero turned political outcast. So stay tuned, early life and the fight for independence. Blessed Runesu Geza was born at a time when Zimbabwe, then called Rhodesia, was under British colonial rule. Life was difficult for black Zimbabweans. They were treated unfairly, denied basic rights, and had little control over their own country. Like many young men of his time, Geza could not stand the oppression. He decided to take action and joined the liberation struggle, a long and brutal war fought by nationalist movements against the white-led government of Ian Smith. The war was dangerous, and many young freedom fighters lost their lives. But Geza, who later earned the nickname Bombshell, was known for his bravery and commitment to the cause. He fought as part of the Zimbabwe African National Liberation Army, ZANLA, the military wing of Zanu, which played a crucial role in securing Zimbabwe's independence in 1980. After years of sacrifice, the country was finally free, and Robert Mugabe became its first prime minister. Political career and rise to power. After independence, Geza transitioned from being a soldier to a politician. He became an active member of the ruling party, ZANU-PF, which had now taken control of the country. Over the years, he worked his way up within the party ranks, eventually becoming part of the Central Committee, one of the most powerful groups within ZANU-PF. In this position, he helped shape party policies and strategies, using his experiences from the war to influence decisions. However, Zimbabwe's political landscape was changing. The country faced economic challenges, corruption scandals, and increasing opposition from the people. While many war veterans remained loyal to the government, others, like Geza, began questioning the direction the country was taking. Controversy and expulsion from ZANU-PF. In recent years, Geza became one of the most outspoken critics within ZANU-PF. He accused President Emmerson Mnangagwa of corruption and failing to properly govern Zimbabwe. He publicly called for the president to resign and even supported a national shutdown to demand political change. This was seen as an act of defiance against the ruling party. As a result, in February 2025, during a leadership meeting in Mashonaland West, ZANU-PF officially expelled him from the party. His opposition to extending Mnangagwa's rule to 2030 was one of the key reasons for his removal. Party spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa dismissed him, claiming he was being misled by bad influences, manhunt and criminal charges. Soon after his expulsion, the Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, launched a manhunt for Geza. Authorities accused him of multiple criminal offenses, including theft of vehicles, undermining the authority of the president, inciting public violence. Police have warned that anyone helping Geza evade arrest will face legal action. Some people believe these charges are politically motivated, aimed at silencing a strong critic of the government. Others argue that if he committed crimes, he should face justice, land dispute, and legal battles. Adding to his troubles, Geza is also involved in a high-profile land dispute. He has accused former ARDA, Agricultural and Rural Development Authority, Chairman Basil Nyabadza, of defrauding him in a land deal worth over $1 million. This case is still unfolding, further complicating Geza's situation. What happens next? Blessed bombshell. Geza's story is far from over. Will he be arrested, or will he manage to escape and continue his fight against the ruling party? Will his supporters stand by him, or will he be abandoned by those who once admired him? One thing is clear. His life represents the complicated and often dangerous world of Zimbabwean politics. From war hero to political exile, Geza's journey is a lesson in how quickly things can change in Zimbabwe's power struggles. That's it for today's video. What do you think about blessed Geza's situation? Is he a true patriot fighting for justice, or just another politician caught in controversy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe to Zim Witness TV for more updates, share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.